In this video, we'll explore modifying a title block for a sheet in the design to manufacturing software. Within the database editor, sheet types can be opened and edited from the miscellaneous database window under the miscellaneous_sheet class folder. The display text content, display text type, and display text type numeric commands will change the displayed text attributes. Text types can be added, deleted, modified, and reorganized based on the design preferred. There is a large selection of text types that can be chosen, which allow for dynamic sheets that are updated for each instance in the DTM panel project. The import functionality allows E3 sheets, DXF/DWG files, and images to be imported and incorporated into a sheet. Here, we will change the logo on our sheet. In the Sheet Layout tab, a table can be configured for the sheet and off-page references. Columns and rows can be configured to have specific reference numbers and widths, all while the preview is updated automatically. When the changes are finished, saving the sheet to the database will enable it to be used in future projects.